Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea very easy. First, gather your preferred tea, whether it's a classic black, a soothing green, or a fragrant herbal blend. Next, ensure you have fresh, cold water ready. This simple step significantly impacts the final taste. Finally, pick out a clean teapot or your favorite mug. These initial choices set the stage for a delightful cup. Now, let's talk about water temperature and steeping. For most black teas, bring your water to a rolling boil. Green teas, however, prefer slightly cooler water, around 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep black tea for 3 to 5 minutes and green tea for 1 to 3 minutes. Oversteeping can lead to a bitter taste, so keep an eye on the clock. Once your tea has steeped to perfection, it's time to serve. Carefully remove the tea leaves or bag to prevent overextraction. Now, personalize your brew. You might add a teaspoon of honey, a cube of sugar, or a splash of milk, especially with black teas. For some herbal or black teas, a slice of lemon can add a refreshing zest. Enjoy customizing your perfect cup. Finally, take a moment to truly enjoy your delicious, homemade tea. Notice the comforting aroma and the rich flavors you've created. Don't be afraid to explore new tea types or adjust steeping times to find your ideal brew. Tea making is a wonderful journey of discovery. Share this simple pleasure with loved ones and make every cup a special experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.